High plank pose, front step knee through. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to get notification for every video we upload. And please watch the video to the end without missing my instruction to tell you how to use this exercise for your training. This exercise will work for our legs, core to abs and arm, for easy calling full body workout. If you doing this fast, will help you burn fat more easily. So, stay focused. Let's get started. Get into a high plank position, making sure to distribute your weight evenly between your hands and your toes. Check your form. Your hands should be about shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged, and head in alignment. This is starting point. Let's start with left side. Take inhale and exhale, pull your left leg and step into your left hand side as close as you can. Your left foot and left hand are on the same side now. Lift your left hand by now, stay balanced, keep your core and hip engaged. You will feel your hamstring now. Now take inhale, lift your left hand up just to lower chest position, keep your body chest up, and exhale, drive your right knee to your left hand side, do not overpass too much to your hand. Now your left foot and right hand should stay on the floor but your right knee to foot is stay without touching the floor. Keep your core tight and keep your body balanced. Now, move your right knee with foot back to behind first, next your left foot moves back to the starting point. This is 1 rep. You can do this with same side or switch legs to the other side with the amount of repetition. For challenging, you can move fast by jump your foot to front and jump back to behind. When you're focused on the move, you might find yourself holding your breath. Please, remember how to breathe. Check my moving, I am do this exercise by jumping my leg move for faster. My workout routine for this exercise is 20 reps, include both side, by 10 set and rest 10 to 20 seconds between sets. How about you? Alright, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button, leave the comment below, share our channel to your friend. We need more subscriber to grow our channel. Thanks.